Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put comment on Instagram post. So first of all, go to your Instagram app on your phone. Then you can choose the post that you want to put comment, and you can scroll down until you find the post that you want to comment. And for example, I'm just going to put comment to this post. So if we want to put comment on this post, we can simply click on this comment button. Then just type the comment that you like, and for example I'm going to type nice, and we can click on this post button to post our comment. Alright, and now the comment has been added to this Instagram post, and that's how we can put comment on Instagram post. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video. Bye.